What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network, and just a tip. Your tip of the day today is what are the proper mats when getting into the winter. Now, you guys know in any winter months, especially when you guys are getting snow, that salt's coming down, brine's coming down, you're tracking in, all of that snow that's nice and wet. The last thing you want is fabric in the car. You do not want to have those carpeted mats. You're going to want to pull those out. Now, us at Menard Premium Detailing, we're actually a WeatherTech reseller. So we sell WeatherTech mats. In our Tesla here, it has not been detailed in a good bit, but you can tell exactly. Look at those WeatherTech mats taking care of all the dirt and debris. And this is pre-winter. The winter's not even here yet. We go ahead and we put WeatherTechs everywhere. We have the full car done. If you come up here to our front, all the way down to that front area as well, right? WeatherTech actually makes an awesome kit that goes directly into your car. You go ahead, you toss them right in. I have them in every single one of my cars. I have it in my Tesla, I have it in the Raptor, we have it in the Excursion, we have it into our new tow truck. Everything that we do, we make sure that we use proper matting. Because at the end of the day, the last thing you want is for your feet. Think about it, it's sitting there on the gas pedal, and you guys see it probably often, your heel's working its way into that carpeted mat, and it's just ruining it. It's going right through that floor. So, whenever you guys want, in the winter, make sure you get yourself proper mats. If you are stuck with the carpeted mats, pull them out, get some carpet cleaner on them, clean them as often as possible in the winter, get an extractor, bring them into here, whatever it is that you guys need. But if not, take the investment and spend it properly on some WeatherTechs. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. That's your tip of the day. And as always, guys, keep shining.